Hello. Sasa leo nataka nikupe katip kidogo, sio katip, tujifunze long vowel. A na a, i, a. So A na A, these are called vowel team. Kwa nini vowel team? Kwa sababu ni two vowels, a na i zimekuja pamoja na kutengeneza A na i, sometimes na yenyewe ni long vowel. Kwa hiyo a na i, a. These are two vowels. So easy term ambayo tunaweza tukasema A is found at the middle of the words in words such as pain, tail, male, made, and other words ambao unaona ziko at the middle. And A is found in the words at the end of the word such as say, day, way, and may. So I hope utakuwa umejifunza tofauti kati ya A na A, ambazo hizi zina make a long vowel A. Ile A ina make its name. Bye and enjoy the holiday season. Until next time.